All right, so here are the ingredients for the Wendy's chili, and a couple tools of the trade. Can opener, of course, and a little smasher. You don't necessarily need this, but you're going to have to smash some of this meat. You'll see that here in a bit. Anyway, 2 pounds of ground beef, extra virgin olive oil, kidney beans, pinto beans, 1 can each. A little secret ingredient, distilled white vinegar, diced tomatoes, green chilies, tomato sauce, 3 cans of stewed tomatoes, a couple packs of mild chili seasoning. Yeah, that. 2 stalks of celery, 1 onion, and 1 green bell pepper. Let's get into it. So let's get started cooking. And the first thing we're going to do is just take some of our extra virgin olive oil and just 2 tablespoons. More than enough. We're just going to swirl that around in there. And then we're going to put it to medium-high heat. And let it heat for a bit. We're going to take 2 pounds of ground beef, throw it in here. So the recipe tells us to smash the meat down into 1 single patty, and then we're going to let it brown for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then after your 8 to 10 minutes, we're just going to break up all the meat. Then after you get it all broken up, just want to start stirring it, and that way every bit of it's going to brown. So then we're going to let it brown for about, should take about 3 or 4 minutes, but we're going to make sure every bit of it's nice and brown. Now it's time for your onion, previously chopped. Make sure you chop it up nice and good. Then next, of course, is going to be our green bell pepper. Chop it up, throw it in. Then, of course, our 2 celery sticks. Chop them up, throw them in. So now I'm going to stir it, let it cook for about 5 minutes, or at least until the onions become translucent. So the next thing we're going to add is our stewed tomatoes. Now, these obviously look nice and chunky, right? So when you put them in, you're going to take a little potato masher and mash them up. But we're not going to do that. We're going to try something up a little bit different because we weren't having much success with this. So we're going to use our immersion blender to try to chop them up real quick. So that's 2 cans right there. I'm going to throw that into the pot real quick, and I'm going to do the same thing to our last 3rd can. Not really a whole lot, just a little bit, just to break those chunks up. And then stir in. We're going to throw in our tomato sauce and our diced tomatoes and green chilies. And stir that in. And 1 cup of water. And stir that in. Now we're going to put in our chili seasoning packets. We'll stir that in. We're going to add our can of kidney beans, dark red kidney beans. And 1 can of pinto beans. And stir it in. So after we got all of our ingredients stirred in, we're going to bring it to a boil. Then we're going to drop it down to low. And now for our secret ingredient. So we're going to do 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. And when you want to add this when you're about to serve it or you're finished simmering. Stir that in. And the taste test. Man, that's good stuff. And remember, you can always add salt, more pepper if you like, but this is absolutely the best copycat Wendy's chili I've ever tasted. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and make this.